Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to add your bank account into Amazon. To do this is pretty simple. So head on to your Amazon. This can be in your application in your phone or in your desktop. First, click on the top left corner, just pressing Amazon, and right below it there's all. Then you go to your own name right here. And as you can see, all you have to do is locate your payments right here. So your payments, you can add a rewards balance card or Amazon gift card, or like we have discussed, you want to add your bank account into Amazon. So from here, you want to add a new payment method. It's either you use your FSA or HSA cards, credit or debit cards, Amazon Store cards, or even your personal checking account. And then from there, you can even add in your EBT card information if you want to. But mostly, you would use your credit or debit cards. Add your card number here, name on the card, expiration date, and CVC or CVV, depending on what card you're using. So once you've done that, all you have to do is link your card and choose which credit card if you're using one right here. And then link your card. And there you go, guys. That is how you link your bank account to Amazon. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.